I'm at Margie's Farm and Garden with Margie. And so Margie, today's a really special day here. So what is going on?
Oh my gosh, we're so excited. This is our annual Vintage Flea Market. So we have 50 plus vendors set up today. Yes, it's amazing. There's something for everyone. We have antiques, repurposed, handcrafted, vintage, furniture, handmade cards, anything you could imagine.
Oh, that is so cool because, you know, for the last couple of years, maybe it hasn't been going on or a lot of things haven't been going on, but this is a fun event.
It's so fun to be back and here with everybody, and everybody's so excited to be here. We also have food.
Whoa.
So we have a food truck doing hamburgers, pulled pork sandwiches, a variety of things. We have a sweets booth. We have drinks. We have all sorts of things. Teriyaki chicken. So come for your food too.
And so can we just come in? Is it a fee or what? How does that work?
It is free. So last night we had our ticketed event, which was a great time. And then today's free all day, free parking, free entrance. Come in, do your shopping, and have a great time.
And you know, the other fun part is that you can bring home flowers because really it's not too late to plant. It's been a crazy spring.
It's been a crazy spring, so it's of course not too late to plant. We have a great selection still, hanging baskets, patio pots, annuals, perennials, trees and shrubs.
Nice.
We've got it all, so time to come out. And we're doing a fabulous special this weekend, 20% off.
Oh, wow,
20% off all your flowers.
Oh, that is wonderful.
Yeah.
And so where can we find out all the information?
All the information, you can go to avintageflea.com, to our website, Margie's Farm and Garden, or Garden Time website.
Excellent. Well, there you go. She stole my line. Well, you heard it from Margie, and so it's going to be a fun day. Watch the rest of the show, and then come out and have a great time at a Vintage Flea and at Margie's Farm and Garden. Thanks so much.
Thank you.